Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Streets of New Capenna. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Incriminate, followed by Run Out of Town, Dapper Shieldmate, Ready to Rumble, Broken Wings, Corrupt Court Official, Ominous Parcel, Obscura Storefront, Jewel Thief, Snooping Newsy, Metropolis Angel, Brass Knuckles, Cormella Glamour Thief, Rabble Rousing, Our Land is a Full Art Plains, and we have a Citizen Token at the back. So again, we have the Full Art Plains, Rabble Rousing, which for 4 and a white gives you Hideaway 5, which then whenever you attack with 1 or more creatures, create them any 1/1 green and white citizen creature tokens. Then if you control 10 or more creatures, you may play the exiled card without paying its mana cost. Which that exiled card that's referring to is from Hideaway 5. Look at the top 5 cards of your library and exile 1 of them face down, then put the rest at the bottom in a random order. I said it, I don't even know how long ago now, several days ago, that I liked the return of the Hideaway mechanic, and this is another great example of it. For 4 and a white, getting to create creature tokens. Let's see. Whenever you attack with 1 or more creatures, create that many creature tokens, citizen creature tokens. That alone is worth probably close to the 4 and a white. That's probably like 2 or 3 and a white. Then having the extra little bit at the end. If you control 10 or more creatures, play the exiled card without its mana cost. You're cheating out something big from your deck just because you were able to ramp up to 10 or more creatures with a card that is telling you whenever you attack, double the number of creatures that you have attacking. Going to very easily be able to get to that 10 or more creatures from that. Especially since you have to wait until you have at least 5 mana. So that's, if you're ramping quickly, turn 3, maybe turn 4. If you're going slow, it's turn 5 or 6. At that point, you should have several creatures already out, and being able to get another 3 or 4 out on that first turn as well from the effect of Rebel Rousing. You're probably looking at only needing 1 or 2 turns if you time it right for that Hideaway 5 card to come out. So it feels, to me, this feels really good and definitely will be in use in one of my decks. And I wouldn't be surprised to see this used very frequently in Standard at the very least for the current rotation. And it probably will see some use in Modern and in Pioneer, maybe Commander. Those, since they're evergreen, a little less likely to see it, but you might. But definitely throughout this, as long as this is legal and Standard, you'll be seeing this. Next we have Cormella Glamour Thief, which for 1, a blue, a black, and a red, you get a 2/4 with haste that you can then pay 1 and tap to create a blue, black, and red to cast instant or sorcery spells. And when Cormella dies, return up to 1 instant or sorcery from your graveyard to your hand. So she is free mana. I mean, if she's on the field, you can pay 1 to get 3 mana back. That you then, sure, you have to use that for instant or sorceries, but in blue, black, and red, you're going to have a plethora of instants and sorceries, whether that's for dealing direct damage, or for removal, or for countering, whatever it may be. You are going to have instants and sorceries that you're going to want to use, so why not pay 1 to get 3? Next we have Brass Knuckles and Metropolis Angel, Snooping Newsy, Jewel Thief, Obscura Storefront, Ominous Parcel, Corrupt Court Official, Broken Wings, Ready to Rumble, Dapper Shieldmate, Run Out of Town, and Incriminate. That's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.